Good morning class 7th. Already previously we have read this chapter number 2 of English grammar, sentences, simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. This already I have explained you that what kind of sentences are there, what is simple sentence, what is compound sentence and what is complex sentence. Okay, and already I have given you the exercise in homework, exercise part 1. A part I have given you in homework, which I think you all have completed. Okay, now I am going to start the B part of this exercise today. B and C part, after that our chapter would be completed. Okay, now I am beginning with B part of this exercise. What you have to do in this, here simple sentences are given which you have to rewrite in the compound sentence using two coordinate clauses. Okay, इसमें दो coordinate clause use करके आपको इसको compound sentence में sentence बनाने. Okay, now one is done for you. I am going to start second one. By his unpleasant manners he lost many friends. What would be the answer? He lost many friends because of his unpleasant manners. Okay, third one. Owing to severe drought the crop dried. Answer would be the crop dried due to severe drought. Okay, fourth one. With a great effort he lifted the bag. What would be the answer? He lifted the bag after great efforts. Okay, now fifth one. The teacher punished the girl for her disobedience. The girl was punished by the teacher for her disobedience. Okay, sixth one. Come to my house to collect your books. Come to my house and collect your books. Okay, seventh. He works very hard to win the dance competition. He worked very hard, so he won the dance competition. Okay, now next, eighth one. Besides robbing the old man, he also murdered him. He robbed the old man and murdered him. Ninth one. In this tower sat the old man gazing at the sea. Answer would be the old man sat on this tower and gazing at the sea. 10th one. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner eating his Christmas pie. What would be the answer? Little Jack Horner sat in a corner and ate his Christmas pie. So B part of this exercise is completed. Okay, now we are going to start the part C. In this you have to match the clauses in column A with those in column B and write compound sentence. You have to write the compound sentence choosing appropriate coordinating conjunction. Appropriate coordinating conjunction which is given in this bracket. From here you have to take the help and you have to complete the sentence. Okay, now what would be the first sentence? Here first sentence in column A. I called him but he did not respond. Okay, Sheila was sick so she did not come to school. Third one. Raghu is poor but he is honest. Fourth one. You can send a printed application or you can apply online. Fifth one. He does not accept it nor does he reject it. Okay. Sixth one. He went to the market and bought a new shirt. Seventh. The exam was very easy yet she did not pass. Eighth one and last. My friends invited me but I did not go. Okay, this I have matched and I have written here. Coordinating conjunction I have written here and I have done the marking, but this is not complete. Here you have to write the complete sentences. I will tell you how to write. Okay, first one. I called him but he did not respond. Second. Sheila was sick so she did not come to school. Third. Raghu is poor but he is honest. Fourth, you can send a printed application or you can apply online. Okay. Fifth one, he does not accept it nor does he reject it. Sixth one, he went to the market and bought a new shirt. 7. The exam was very easy, yet he did not pass. 8th one, my friend invited me but I did not go. Okay, now class 7th, your exercise has completed. Now this chapter is also completed. You have to fill only in your book. This part you have to fill only in your book. Okay, and you have to learn also. Thank you.